stick for girl like bandit stick to like magnet. 6 bars my name so no girl can't mad me. Yeah, bigs. Yes, go. For girl like bandit stick.
Oh, on the day. Gang. It's a boy Pumpkin Belly. You don't know anything go. You don't know if I name my voice. You don't know if it's a challenge. The challenge name change part of a challenge. Guys, we are going there. We are going. It's like basically what we are going to do. We are going to just add challenge. We got juice challenge. We got pull challenge. We do bread challenge already. And we just keep on asking for challenging them. So we are going to just put it on. We don't know if it's cripple. The back of the camera. Cripple make them know say there.
Yeah, man. Just a forward from Hilltop.
Hilltop. We don't know say back to school time. Back to school video soon job. So guys, you don't know say me up on the road spree just to go get the things them for start to eat challenge. So you don't know. Let's go. We are touching road. Let's go.
Yeah, man. Just a forward from up top. Hilltop them have enough black. 45 in a firework gun shot.
Good, yeah. Funny way if you go get the little strips in them the video where I get the drinks and I get the bola anything else we'll see what we want and don't know anything go. Yeah. Church pray. You're right in a little community, you see. Guys, you don't know say we almost reach on things see shop there. Out on the front out there, so don't know say cripple there again. Give me one style, cripple, give me one dance. Give me one dance. Till the time start. Yo guys, we still discuss the rules. I game phone and tell you everything I go and tell you how we go put it down and tell you about this I come down here. I don't know say yo, you see from the summer the sun just hot and cool. The summer done and gone and even though it rain and fall, yo, no ease for the sun. So we are the sun are gonna make it change more intense because we are gonna do it outdoor. You see the last man if you done them I'll give you 20 push up. You see me? The last time I lose 7 grand, I not lose no more money. I swear to God, no more money. See them are nearly dead. God, content for look down. Come in. We clear. Yeah, we in a shop now. Cripple Wallace.
We can cut now.
Get to the water shop, isn't it? Okay, I'm cheap. Ang gitu na yung manunas ako. Sir.
Sir. How there?
Yeah, big Jesus. Ah, you see it. Isa na nga pan.
Big juice sama ayos. Ada kan.
How much you want to Isa na nga.
Give me, you have cola? Want ginger beer?
Ah, you get the Coca-Cola. So you have to drink that.
Let me buy you
You
drink.
get 20. Yes. No, Coca-Cola.
Want ginger beer?
The Coca-Cola. That's all. Ginger beer. Yes. Intense. No, I just want challenge of the day. Yes. Who can do it first?
Yo, aquí dah plan.
Yeah, jangan cumpai. Ini say. Tiga tu kilo. Kita, how much pula suka cumpai?
Bulan. Apa ya bayar bun?
Bon tu ai.
Bun. Berarti bayar bun ni saya juice dan big.
Give me two bon.
Tu lang bun dia beda.
Nah, so one. Then I say, maybe don't before you give me 10 and push up. Just like you just. Can you talk about this?
Give me na. Give me 50 lah.
What you want?
Give me 50 lah. Give me bucket. Bro, dah.
Yeah, right there. Should I get the bang. Yeah. Go.
Gang.
Bruh.
Yo, that we just reach back and thing, you know what I mean? You don't know anything, too much noise upon the road, too much noise. You don't know, so we have to come out of civilization.
If we bring it to
Bush.
Madrid, goal.
You see me? And you don't know, so we don't want to bring no bad content to now. And guys, guess we'll find Kyrie running in the back. I can't marry Kyrie makes so nice now. Yeah.
Chopping.
You don't know, we're going and drinks, you don't know anything. We go hard and done. You don't know, say, hey, the last man sit done them, 20 push up on him up. And you can't eat the bun and drink no juice. If you done your bun first and you drink the juice, you know what I mean? You don't know anything. Go! Gang. So Kyrie, let's get into it. You know what I mean? Kyrie, just sit me down. Let me sit down.
Hey.
Yo, we lose 7 grand right here. You don't know, say, you can't go so again. I not put no money for no land.
Aye.
We just
Ready, no? Ready, no?
Ready.
What? Mark, set, go.
Yo, yeah, oh, that night, that night. Come on.
Tak lupa minum.
Tak apa. Mak tak apa. Come on. Ya, bingo pegang ya, bingo. Đâm cái đó. Đâm cái. Đâm cái. Cái đẹp đẹp. Ôi rồi. Rồi, anh không cho sao tôi bông lắm đâu. Đàn giáo bút giáo quay thực hiện này này. Đúng này. Nó riêng cho bụng.
Aktif dah dulu kamu.
Hah?
Satu lebih sama.
Ini apa dah? Banyak banget kamu dah. Kamu. Eh, kena start jingkit mah. Wait. Ready?
Wait. Full apa? Mark, set, go.
I don't know, I think go. Ya, wala man.
What's up?
Yo, switch ano. Yo, bigyan tak yo. No try this ayat. Do.
Ang ganda mo.
Ulo si wago ni. Cream.
Ayo, kaman. Lagi.
Yo, fimi ko blanca do. Ano watch? Yo, ano tell me watch?
Bruh.
Lupa man ko complain. Cuy ya final. Bawa dah cai sini.
Tanya siap.
Ana sini.
Wait, ready. Let's look at the black.
Ready?
Oh, oh. Now we are.
Nah, mag-edging this pala. No. Yes, ready.
Wow, wait.
Ready again, Kara.
Kyle, wait.
Wala naman. Wala jigsaw taso. Wala taso. Ready?
Go.
Kara.
Para sentenciar, para soñar, para meterse al mundial. ¡Messi!
Ready 20 push-up. Ready 20 push-up. Ready 20 push-up. When you all like clan what you know what I mean? In our next clip, I'm going to see me do 20 push-up. We out here, one clan. You see me just part of it. Guys, I don't know anything go, don't know say Team Pumpkin Lucy, Chan thing, I don't know anything go, don't know say Cripple Colin. I don't know say me ask keep up my in our bargain cause I say one clan thing go down. No one them 20 push-up. Watch it! I don't wanna watch it. No, I just can't eat fast overall. You see, if I want different challenge, I go beat them. No. Next challenge, I don't know say.
I run alone and can't left man.
I go run left you. I go run left you, make no spot. Since as that, I do chucks. Long time now, so no one can do 20 push-ups. No. I do a long time, I do no push-ups still. Can we attend, sir?
No, I won't understand. I'm a shopkeeper.
You don't trust people?
No.
Yeah, you take push-up fast, sir.
21.
Oh, God!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh!
10 na din. 10 mo.
Attend me ako, you attend. Can we attend, sir?
No man, 10 mo.
Can we 5?
No, not even 1.
Guys, a long time na do push-up still naman.
come, next 5, next 5, next
Push
10.
up on full belly, yo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.
Anything me a fool. Yo, guys, in I video this, I'm glad to make it in I video by the way. And make sure you like and subscribe. You know, say only pound watch the video, so smash the like button and thing. Watch it. And guys, remember to follow me on Instagram at Jaman AJ. You know what I mean?
Watch it.
The whole team out here, you know what I mean?
I'm there.
Guys, just want to big up everybody who support me, my Instagram family. I like how now do you think, you see me?
Yeah.
We out there, watch people. No, we're not taking no cousin. It's like, why out? And guess what? We out here and what more chances to come. Guys, just go down in the comment section and tell you one if you build phone. Because I'm going to get up and do something.